Lovely. If you are willing to take a lesson, if you got the cash, you can take a lesson here. Yeah, by helicopter it's gone up. Or by plane. Wow, it's gone up. High in the sky. And a plane also is going up as well. Wow, you can do both or one. Which one you fancy? Helicopter or a plane? Or maybe both. I'm thinking about that. Lovely to see. Beautiful fields. There's a plane coming to land. Yeah, you can see it crossing over. Oh, there's another helicopter here. There you are. And there you are. It's crowded. There's helicopters and plane to choose from. Yeah? Whichever one you want, pick your choice. Lovely fields. Thank you for watching. Hopefully to see you again on the next one.